Oh, darn it. What's up, everyone? Welcome to RC Design Build. I first and foremost just have two things to say. Short intro. I apologize, one, for the sorry quality of videos I've posted lately. I do apologize immensely for that. And about the subjects, I understand they're not appealing to everyone, so if I've lost you as a subscriber, I really hope this wins you back. So, second thing, today's video is going to be based on the very first short I ever posted on this guy right here. And if you notice, there's something missing right now. So, Mini XRT, how durable is this thing? So today's video, all about that guy and how much it's basically, I have recorded many videos, and this is going to be a compilation of all those videos, just showcasing to the extent of all the things this thing has survived and continues to operate and run, no matter what people say about the brand. Traxxas does hold up. Enjoy.
Alright, what's up everyone? So as you can see, it is already 82 degrees at 9:15, which is why I have not been doing any outside videos.
So
whee! What kind of trick I could pull out of that, so I abandoned it.
oh crap. Let's see if Roman gets it. Nope. Whee! Oi! Cool. Getting better. Single time that I brought this guy here. There's a good front flip. Better is by practicing. Wait, and not landing all funky. Woo! Oi! Oh, I almost landed it. Dang.
Oh, dead. Yeah.
Oh, I landed it. Oh yeah, oh, I knew I was about to. Oh yeah, almost landed it. Dang it. Much gas to give it like that. Oh, almost had the. Hey, not quite. There we go. Just do single. Ah. Bingo. Still landed. Action. And triple. Whoop. Oi. Woohoo! Didn't land that one. Whee! Oh shit. Oh yeah. Oh man. What the hell was that?